How to export private key from Rabby. All right, so in order to export your private key, open up the Rabby Wallet application. And then once you're on the home screen, just go ahead and click on the wallet icon you're going to see here. So click on the wallet, and then you're going to see the list of all the wallets that are on Rabby. So click on the wallet that you want to actually manage. Because you are managing the wallet, you're going to see your assets. You're going to see the option to send, swap. If you click on the three dots, you can receive, bridge, and work on your approvals. The most important thing here, in order to get your private key, is to click on the gear icon at the top right. Once you've clicked on the gear icon now, you can see your basic info and you can see the backup options. There's an option to back up your seed phrase, but what we need is the backup of your private key. So when you click on this option now, you're going to be shown to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you'll then be shown your Rabby Wallet private key QR code and the private key itself. And then just copy it and you could simply paste it in another application and just log on there with this info. All right, guys.